Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and you must be at your home these days. I thought and hoping that you all had a great Sunday. So let's come back to again our studies. Okay, as we have completed our first two chapters, now I would like to discuss the exercise which is given at the end of the chapter of chapter number 2, that is sensing the world. Okay. Now on page number 7, you all can see there's a pink box given at the starting of the in the starting of the chapter. Do you remember? Okay, so write one activity you can do with the help of the following sense organs. So as we have discussed about the functions of our major five sense organs, the very first is eyes. Okay, eyes help us in seeing, sight and vision. So this is the function of our eyes. Now the second comes is nose. Nose help us in smell. With the help of our nose, we smell uh, good fragrances or bad fragrances. Okay. Now the third one is ears. With the help of ears, we listen the sounds or it help us in hearing. Okay. Now come to the page number 8. There's a yellow box given that imagine you have to spend one whole day with your eyes blindfolded. Okay, think and complete the columns. Activities you will manage easily. Okay, imagine there's a situation given over here that you have to manage yourselves. The activities we can that you can manage with yourselves, and the activities which will be tough or which will be tough or difficult for you. Okay, so with the blindfold, that blindfold which you could put over your eyes, and that activities you have to write down by your own. Okay, now comes the last time to answer, which is given on page number 8, yellow box. The question is, take the correct option in each of the following sentences. We see with the help of our nose or eyes. Of course, we see with the help of our eyes. So the answer is eyes. Now the second comes, lemon is a sweet or sour in taste. So of course lemon is sour in taste. Okay. Now the third one is, smell of a rose is good or bad. So smell of a rose, it is a fragrance of a rose, so of flowers. Okay, so it's a good, so it would smell good. So the answer is good. We feel cold or hot in summers. How do we feel cold? How do we feel in summers, hot or cold? Of course, we feel hot in summers. So the answer is hot. We hear the sound of ringing bell with the help of our tongue or ears. So how do we hear? With the help of our ears. So the answer is ears. Now coming to the next question, which is given on page number 9. It is time to answer. Okay, put a tick mark for a good touch or a cross for a bad touch. Okay, so the very first is hugging from your parents. Okay, if you hug your parents, so how do we feel? We feel loved, cared. Okay, so we feel very comfortable, so it's a good touch. So the answer is tick. So the answer is correct. Okay, cuddling your parents, so again it is also a good touch, so the answer is correct. A stranger touching your hand, so this is all so this is इनकरेक्ट. वाई इज इट सो? बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू फील बैड टच. आपको हमेशा कैसा फील कराता है? अनकम्फर्टेबल, अनईजी. इट लीव्स यू कंफ्यूज एंड स्केर्ड ऑल्सो. आपको कभी कभी डरा भी देते हैं ऐसे टच जो कि आपके स्ट्रेंजर्स से मिलते हैं आपको. ओके, सो यू शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम सच पीपल्स एंड यू शुड आस्क देम टू ask your parents to talk about them. Okay, now comes on the last I would like to discuss fill in the blanks, true false and match the following, which is given at the end of chapter on page number 10. Then first comes fill-ups. The first is sense organ send signals to the dash. Okay, sense organs जो हैं, as I have told you the process of the sense organ, that how it works. जो भी आपके सेंस ऑर्गन्स रहते हैं, फर्स्ट व्हाट दे डू signals, they send signals to the brain. So the answer is brain. Okay, now the second is eyes help us to dash and dash. Eyes help us in, of course, seeing and read. So the answer is see and read. Okay, our ears alert us about the dash around us. Ears help us in danger. Okay, as I have told you in the earlier example, like some car is coming in speed towards you. So if it would ring some sound. Okay, अगर वो car that means it is, so you will get to know about the danger, okay, through some sound, some bells or the honks, okay, honking sound. Our Now the next is our nose help us to dash. Our nose help us in smelling. So the answer is smell. Now the fifth is skin dash our whole body. So skin covers. Okay. So as I have told you in earlier, that skin is the largest sense organ in our body. So it covers our whole body. Now the second question is write true or false for the following statements. The first, we smell things with the help of with our tongue. How do we smell things with the help of our nose? So the answer is false. Our whole body is protected by our eyes. No, our whole body is protected by our skin. So the answer is false. The tongue helps us to taste and speak. Tongue help us to taste? Yes. So the answer is true. Hugging our parents is a bad touch? No. Hugging a parent is a good touch. So the answer is false. Match the following. Eyes help us in see. Now second is ears. Ears help us in hearing or hear. Okay. Nose help us in smell. Now the tongue help us in taste. And the fifth one is last is skin. So skin is help us in feel and touch. So here our second chapter gets over. So this is all about the sense organs. I like to recap, revise all those things which I have told you earlier, that we have 5 sense organs, in which skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Okay, and the other 4 are eyes, ears, tongue and nose. These are the 5 sense organs which are there in our body, and they are really very helpful to react uh, or to behave in the situation. Okay, so this is all for this chapter. Thank you everyone.